Next week, I'm attending an Asana conference here in Auckland, and I've created a really simple strategy to collect leads from the event. Here's how I've built it all using Pipedrive. First, I've created a really simple, very minimal lead capture form using the web forms feature in Pipedrive. This is part of the Lead Booster add-on, which comes with the premium plan, or you can purchase Lead Booster as an add-on. Now, as a bit of an incentive, we're giving away a cheat sheet, the 5 golden rules of Asana. They'll get the cheat sheet, they can print it out, share it with their team, and they're going to get a video explaining the 5 golden rules as well. So just something a bit more interesting than tell me your name. But we're just asking name, email, phone, so it's really low friction, really easy to fill in. I've styled it with our company colors, our blue and our yellow. I've got my logo in here, so it kind of has that personal touch, but this didn't take long to put together. This was, less than 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of work. Now for the submit options, I've got a simple message here. Your cheat sheet is on the way. They're going to get an email. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You've got an opportunity here to link them to the website or somewhere, so you may as well use it. And this is going to create a lead in our lead inbox. So I'm going to get the person's name, email, and phone, and I've got them straight in my inbox so I can follow up with them later. And I've got this lead title prefix, Asana cheat sheet. I'm going to use that in an automation in a sec to automate the email that needs to go out. And finally, I'm not even embedding this on our website. I just want this to be really quick and easy to do. So we're just sharing this link, the form, via a link, which people will access by scanning a QR code. Now, I'm going to be speaking at the event, so we're going to put that QR code up on the screen so people will be able to scan it with their phone. It redirects to that Pipedrive form just via that link. You can see the form looks really minimal, really clean on the phone, so it's very easy to fill in, very low friction. You do not want it to be difficult. They fill it in and we've captured their details. Now, if you're exhibiting at an event, you could use a similar strategy where you have a phone or a tablet with the form ready to go, and as you're talking to people, you just simply capture their details. Now, once I capture the lead, I want to send an email to that person straight away to deliver their cheat sheet. So I've done that with a simple automation in Pipedrive. If you've never used automation before, I'll link up here a getting started tutorial on how to build automations like this. This one's very simple. We've got the lead added trigger, and I've got a quick condition here. We're checking that the lead title contains Asana cheat sheet. So if you remember in my form, we have this Asana cheat sheet in the prefix. I'm checking for that in the title because I don't want to email every lead that comes in, just the ones filling in the form. So we've got that as a condition. I've got an update lead field action, and I'm updating the title of the lead to the person's name, colon, organization name, and then Asana cheat sheet, just so the lead has a slightly nicer title. And finally, we then have the send email using template action. This goes to the lead contact person using my templated email here, which looks like this. So it's just very simple. Thanks for attending the Work Innovation Tour. You can download your cheat sheet here. Here's our video. Quick call to action, book a call with us. So that's going to get sent immediately. I'm tracking the email opens and link clicks as well. So very simple little automation. And then the lead comes in looking like this. So Connie's done a test for me. You can see the email has been sent, so that's all working. I've got her name and contact information down here so I can follow up with her after the event. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? And look, that entire process it probably took about 20 minutes to set up. I mean, I'm a Pipedrive expert. I've been using this for years. I know what I'm doing, but it's not a complicated process. If you would like help building something like this or getting more out of Pipedrive, then click the link in the description to book an introductory call with our team. We can help create automated processes and really slick sales workflows just like this. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.